Jai Ho, Pyramid Masters. Jai Ho. I love you. For all of you, for all of you, for every one of you, my dear friends, my dear masters, my dear gods, after enlightenment comes celebration. Celebration, celebration, celebration. Always celebrating. We are here to celebrate. Since we are already enlightened. When we are vegetarians, when we are meditators, when we are enlightened people, what left is only celebration. Here, people are there from Kerala to Kashmir. The whole of India is here. Whole of globe is here. This worldwide PSS movement. One world. One world. One world. That is our motto. The whole world has to become one. It will become one within 10 years. All is well. All is well.